So here we had a really loose switch. This is the old switch right here. And it's pretty big, pretty interesting. The wires, I don't know if you can tell, actually connected to the front side. Whereas all the switches nowadays connect on the side. Of course, they're not as wide either. So we replaced that, pulled it out. And then we're taking a look, since we got the electric turned off, which it turns out you really need to test each outlet because there's 3 in this room. 2 went dead when we turned the light off, but the third one is still live, so that's hooked on a different line. So here we're pulling out the old receptacle, and in here you probably can't tell, but it turns out there is 3 wire. So we have a hot, a neutral, and a ground. The ground is connected to the metal box, which in today's wiring they're all plastic, so you can't do that, but in the old ones they're metal. Now over here we had a slight problem because someone probably put it in and cross-threaded it. So now the trick is going to be, can we get that off? So that's what we're gonna work on right now, changing them out. And this one over here was hooked to a different line and is still hot, so we're not going to touch that one now. That was put in later and does have the ground on it, but I will check that once I figure out which fuse it is. And for right now I have to deal with the fuses until I get the new panel in.